Good morning, YouTube. So, finally doing some work on the new F-250. For anyone not aware, my old 05 F-250 Big Blue that you've seen on the channel was stolen from work, never recovered. I ended up picking up a 2015 Platinum instead. So, I mean, getting the Platinum did shortcut a lot of the work I was going to do. The whole 08 style upgraded interior, obviously already in there. Already got the upgraded 08 style rear suspension on this. But yeah, I have not had any real connection to the truck because I haven't done any work to it really. It's mostly stock. You know, we've got the upgraded, I put the recon lights in, and of course, first upgrade I did on this was the Morimoto headlights. These are fantastic. I'll give you guys a more in-depth review on those later. So the first thing I wanted to go ahead and show, I got a topper. This is the ARE. This is the ARE MX HD. I also went with the full hatch system on this. This was installed by Fred's Truck Accessories. I'm waiting on my cat pack to arrive. I went ahead and got the swing cases for it. So overall, I'm pretty happy with it. I'm not super thrilled with the install. You can tell that this was definitely done on a Friday. Got a lot of excess cable here, and I have an issue with this. Also, not always. It was had a poor connection. There we go. English, I know it. You know, got to get the couple of bits here fixed up. So overall, pretty good install. I would just say pretty good. See, I'm missing the lock that goes here, like I got over here, that prevents the swing line cases from getting popped off. They also, I am going to be working with them on this as well. So you can see they're supposed to have the pull-ins here to hold these in place. And as you can see, they didn't install them. They said, oh, you can't install them with swing line cases. But, I mean, let's get some light in there. You can see that these are supposed to clip in. So I was like, we can install these either down here, or we can pop these rivets and we can move this up here and install them up top. I'm not picky, but I do want these in, because otherwise I'm literally only held by these little tabs there, and I'm not cool with that. So yeah, got the bed rug, obviously got the swing cases, I got a cat pack, sorry, that's going to be going in. I've got the camera set up on here, which I've got to adjust because this thing is not at all lined up, you know, down with the lines. I've got the Outdoorsman, the cap windows, which are super nice because, you know, I can open this up and it's got screen behind it, nice metal screen. Or, am I going to be able to lift this one arm? There we go. I can open it up and I have full flow through. So this will be great when I'm out overlanding. That is my long-term goal with the truck, is I'm going to build this just like I was going to build Big Blue into an overlander. I'm going to build a custom rack up top once I finish getting my electrical set up so I can actually hook up my welder so I can get the material to make that happen. Yeah. So yeah, just kind of initial impressions. I really like this ARE topper. I spent quite a bit of change on it, so it's part of what I'm hoping to do here is, you know, get them to fix this up. When I pay somebody for work, I do expect it to be at least as good as I would do myself. Ideally, it would be better as they're the professional, and I'm just some dude on YouTube, right? So yeah, ARE MX HD topper. My initial impressions are very, very good. Going to be taking a trip up to the mountains in Georgia. First family vacation, actually. And that'll be where this really gets some use. My husky's coming along, hoping that both my husky and my boy can finally find some snow. We don't get that here in Florida very often. So yeah, I'll come back with a long-term review on this in the future. In the meantime, I have a mess that I have to get to. So I hope this little short video is helpful for you. Initial impression on that. I'll give you guys, like I said, a bigger update later. I feel like I'm repeating myself, so I'm going to cut it off here. As always, thanks for watching.